Hi, I'm Robert O'Brien from O'Brien Guitars. 10 years ago, I launched my very first Luthier Tips du Jour video on YouTube. Since then, I've launched literally hundreds of videos on a variety of luthier-related topics, also answering many of your questions from viewers around the world. I've also gotten over 7.5 million views on my YouTube channel. Now, to celebrate the special occasion, the 10th year anniversary of my Luthier Tips du Jour videos, I'm making all of my Luthier Tips du Jour original video series, as well as my Luthier Tips du Jour mailbag series, available to you via my website. As a bonus, I'm also making available 75 unreleased Luthier Tips du Jour mailbag videos. I usually release these videos to the public at a rate of about one per month. And at that rate, it would take 5 years to be able to release all of these to the public. However, you can take advantage and watch them all now. Just go to my website and you can download as well as stream all of the videos. Happy building, and thanks for watching.